All right, folks, ever lost your car keys or just need a spare? What a pain, right? Well, ditch the dealership drama because today we're diving into the top 5 car key programmers on Amazon. Let's get you back on the road without breaking the bank. Stick around to see which one is right for you. You can find all the product links to check their price on Amazon in the description and the pinned comment. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the Autel programmable key. This little beauty is a real lifesaver, especially if you're a BMW owner. It's like having a universal remote for your ride. You just program it and boom, you're good to go. Super convenient and a lot less hassle than the dealership. It's built tough too, so it'll stand up to daily use, basically the savvy way to keep your BMW rolling smoothly. Next up, we have the X-Tool diagnostic tool. Now this isn't just for keys, it's like a car whisperer. It talks to your vehicle's computer, tells you what's going on, and yes, it can help with key programming too. It's pretty sophisticated, but surprisingly user-friendly. A real Swiss Army knife for your car's brain, basically. The ultimate brainiac for your automobile. Moving on to the ThinkCar Bluetooth scanner, this one's a real slick operator. Connects right to your phone via Bluetooth, so you've got a powerful diagnostic tool in your pocket, super handy for quick checks and, you guessed it, sorting out those pesky key issues. It's fast, efficient, and lets you keep an eye on things from your couch. Basically, your car's tech support right in your hand. Then, for those who love to DIY and really get into the nitty-gritty, we've got the Godiag programming guide. This isn't a tool itself, but a treasure trove of knowledge. It's like having a master mechanic leaning over your shoulder, walking you through all the steps for key programming. An absolute must-have if you're serious about doing it yourself. Basically, the secret decoder ring for car key mastery. And to wrap things up, we have the vehicle key fob kit. Sometimes you just need a new fob. Plain and simple, this kit gives you exactly that, a ready-to-program replacement for specific models. It's straightforward, no muss, no fuss, just what you need to get back in the driver's seat without the headache, basically. The no-nonsense solution for a fresh set of keys. So there you have it, our top picks for keeping your car keys in check. Happy driving, everyone.